Today our debate topic is, should women work after marriage or not? This side says that women should work after marriage. It is important to be independent, whereas this side says that women should not work after marriage. So let's start the debate.
A woman place. A woman place is not just in her home. A woman place is not just in her home. Her place is where she chooses to be. Marriage is a partnership. Marriage is a partnership, not a push button on a woman's dream. In today's progressive world, women are good in every field, to corporate, to leadership, to many good fields. So women should definitely work after marriage, and why not?
We think that women should not work after marriage because of household stability. Like when a woman works after marriage, so according to the survey of Indian Journal of Social Research, they showed that 65% of in the homes that women's work, there is household stress. There are always fights and conflicts.
would like to say that अगर औरत काम करेगी तो वो मतलब कुछ पैसे कमा सकती है ताकि उससे उसका घर चले, और बाई चांस कभी उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाती है तो वो संभाल सके घर परिवार.
Okay.
I agree with your point, but you said that women should work. Okay, how it is like when she is working, so her take caring of child and that all things is like child need more attention at like time. Like when he is small, he is a kid. He needs more attention with his mother and father. For example, as you said that. उसको पैसे कमाने के लिए सो बाय दैट his husband is earning and she will she will marriage when then only when his husband is capable of earning more and more.
I would like to his point that he said a woman is not work after marriage because a husband is paying a well job and paying a good. So what is the need of doing job by the woman? Because if
आजकल क्या है कि आजकल परिवार छोटे छोटे होते आ रहे हैं. दो पर हस्बैंड वाइफ ही परिवार के अंदर होते हैं, पर उसके साथ हमें उसमें कुछ ज़रूरतें भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. आजकल हर चीज़ चाहिए, हर फैसिलिटी चाहिए परिवार में. हस्बैंड के ऊपर ही पूरा लोड हो जाता है तो वो काफ़ी डिप्रेशन में चले जाता है. लेकिन लेडीज अगर साथ उसके साथ काम करें ना, दोनों बेचारे परिवार को अच्छी तरह चला सकते हैं. और आगे फ्यूचर में पता नहीं क्या हस्बैंड अगर मान लो बागीचान भगवान ना करे कुछ हस्बैंड क्या होता, तो वाइफ अपने पैरों पे खड़ी होगी तो वो आगे हर चीज़ से लड़ सकती है और पूरे समाज में खड़ी हो सकती है तरीके से. इकोनॉमी अच्छी होगी तो हर चीज़ अर्निंग करने अपने बच्चों को भी आगे पढ़ा सकती है अच्छी तरीके से. और अगर वो खाली हस्बैंड पे डिपेंड रह के रह जाएगा, हस्बैंड ही खाली अर्निंग करना है और लेडीज़ को कुछ ना हो उसको, तो बेचारी कुछ कहीं की नहीं रह पाती. वो अगर दोनों हाथ कमा रहे हो तो अपने इंडिपेंडेंट खड़ी होगी, बच्चों को ऐसे पढ़ा सकती है और मतलब समाज में एक अपने उसको हौसले से खड़ी हो सकती है अपने. ये बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है ना, अगर आपने हस्बैंड वुमेन पे अगर साथ में जॉब करती है तो.
but it is not possible that in today's era we women work like of 14 to 15 hours like a man and with the while after going the home and manage all the things like a household. How it is possible?
Let me complete. I want to add one point more.
Wait, I'm saying. In today's generation, women are managing their house, their jobs, their kids. Men cannot do, and still, अब मैरिज एक पार्टनरशिप है. खाली औरत ही बच्चों को काम क्यों देखे कि वो अपने फादर के बच्चे नहीं है. एंड दूसरी चीज, वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, वो अपने आर रिड्यूस कर सकती है, अपने बच्चे को टाइम दे सकती है. जरूरी है कि वो बाहर जाके वो जॉब करे.
And listen, I want to contradict your point. As you said, if a husband earn enough money, so why women want to job na? So here is the main point. If a woman want to job, it is not only about earning money. It's about her choice. If she want to do job, so what is the problem? And in a marriage, they both equal responsibility. They can share equal responsibility. Yeah. So here is the main question is, it's not about कि पैसे कमाने, like पैसा खर्चा करो, like उसकी choice की भी आपको थोड़ा कदर करनी चाहिए. She is your wife after all.
Wait a minute. And I would like to also include a point that a woman has an individual identity. If man do a job, okay, it's good, but if women do a job, it's उसकी identity कहीं ना कहीं prove होगी. And if women do job, then their child, her children, कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें एक हस्बैंड को सपोर्ट चाहिए, अपनी वाइफ का सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, और कहीं ना कहीं बच्चों को एक तरीके से एक बहुत प्राउड फील होगा कि देयर मदर इज वर्किंग, बिकॉज वी saw in many families their father is working, but in some cases women is also working if she want.
But as you said that marriage is a partnership. So what if that partnership breaks? Like there are, according to Indian National Bureau of Economic Research, 30% more higher chances are there for divorce when women and men both are working.
And one more point, that when a woman is working, so the health condition is going like very bad. Her health condition is very bad enough that she can't handle everything, that household chores and job and everything.
And woman is also a human body. It's not like a machine that she can work like a whole day, and now after coming his home and starting doing household chores, because she is also human, and she also needs to take rest. And if a woman is not work, then she can manage all the things, like she can contribute their time to their kids and their family also, and they manage all the things.
But
That's my point.
अगर you are saying that, one point you are saying that marriage is a partnership, and second time you are saying that कि all load will come in the women's. आदमी नहीं थकता काम करके, सिर्फ औरत ही थकेगी क्यों? और अगर एक आदमी कभी भी घर आके अपने बच्चे को नहीं पढ़ाता, women's manage more than a man, and women should work after marriage, because खाली अपने लिए नहीं, और औरतों को इंस्पायर करने के लिए, अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, अपने बच्चों को, and it's a mentality of society, and it's a mentality
But
of
it
yours.
also affects the health of women.
Why men's health not affect? They are doing the work.
So that's the problem. They can
लेडीज को इतना पढ़ने के बाद अगर घर पे बैठना है
they
तो
can
उसकी पढ़ाई का फायदा है, लेकिन
they
अपने
can
इंडिपेंडेंट
distribute their
होगी,
work. Outside work is only for men,
लेकिन
and
अपनी पढ़ाई का उसे
household
यूज
chores.
करना है. आज हमारे यहाँ कितनी लेडीज हैं जो अच्छी पोस्ट पे भी
But
हैं.
we are living in India. We can't.
ये सोसाइटी की सोच है. अगर आप यहाँ एज अ लेडी सोसाइटी की सोच नहीं चेंज करोगे तो मर्द तो क्या चेंज करेंगे?
But
आप ग्रेजुएट,
But you are adapting a Western culture. We can't adapt a Western culture because
कैसे आप अपनी बेटी को 12th पढ़ाना, कहना बेटा तू झाड़ू पोछा सीख, क्योंकि मैं तुझे उसके बाद
I'm
काम
not
नहीं
saying
कराऊंगी.
that. I'm not
No,
saying
no,
that.
no.
If a condition,
Not
if
a condition.
circumstances then come.
You don't
Then she
want to
will
become
come.
an independent after marriage.
I want to become
So-
independent, but there is a problem.
Both can manage nowadays. Both can manage. In outside you see, men's manage, women's manage.
जानते हो आपको कोई टैलेंट है, आप दिखा
सही
सकते हैं,
बात
आप
है.
उसको
Exactly.
कैसे दिखाओगे उसको? अगर आपको
So,
जब तक फील्ड में नहीं लाएगा,
and see, I give you example. Women's बाहर ना जाएं. सोशल मीडिया है. सोशल मीडिया में अपना उनको कुकिंग पसंद है.
डिपार्टमेंट मिनिस्ट्री है सारी, हमारी सीता निर्मल संभाल रही हैं. वो कैसे,
Yes,
उनके अंदर टैलेंट था, वो
exactly.
कर सकती थी. वो सारी चीज मैनेज करना पड़ता है. वो हर चीज को, हर एक को मैनेज करना पड़ता है अपनी लाइफ के अंदर.
Okay, I give you an example of Virat Kohli and Anushka Sen. Wait, please wait. Virat Kohli is a great cricketer. Anushka Sen is a good actor. Virat Kohli is earning a good amount. Please, guys, say he earning a good amount or not? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So why Anushka Sen is working?
But those are,
please come in. Let me.
I'm giving a I'm contradicting you.
No.
They are big actors, and those are like 1 in 1,000, 1 in a million.
They
It's
are
not
too-
like in
they are-
every
they are-
household there will be a cricket and there will be a.
I am giving an example
And
now.
I also give an example like Cristiano Ronaldo. He doesn't have a wife, but it is a living relationship. But she is also not working, na. She is like sitting in home and taking care of kids, na.
She said na. She okay. Argument is that women should work after marriage. She she should know how to manage work, children's, all the things. तो वो काम कर सकती है.
Have you heard about a word called like English word called health?
Yes.
Health is something you have to.
आपके पापा की हेल्थ खराब नहीं होगी, आपकी मम्मी की हेल्थ ही खराब होगी. कहाँ लिखा है ऐसा?
अरे see,
मैं अरे लेट में मैं गाली दूंगा. I understand. Wait. Listen to me.
It was a very interesting debate and आप लोग भी जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा, according to you, should women work after marriage or not?
yeah.